centerfold, hard to hide it. Oh, on the walls, in the writing. If we stay, we're complacent. Too much time to be wasted. I don't wanna lie to you like this. I don't wanna fight with you like this. We gon' pay the price if we blinded. Oh, baby, don't you wait on me. 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 What if it's silver lining? Stars align in the silence. If we stay in the same place, we could lose what we came with. I don't wanna lie to you like this. I don't wanna fight with you like this. We gon' pay the price if we blinded. Oh, so baby, don't you wait on me. 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 So baby, don't you wait on me. Baby, don't you wait on me. Baby, don't you wait on me. Baby, don't you wait on me.
Too many days in the darkness without a glimpse of the light. Running tired and broken and scared, but I swear I'll never give up the fight. I see you broken and beat, head pulled down over your eyes. Every part of you wants to surrender, but darling, you were meant to survive. With every star, we are born again. Open your heart, spend less time seed in a garden. You will grow to be tall, staring out over miles of land without it, but wanting to build up walls. Lift me up in your branches, we can watch the sunrise. Just a couple of bruised up souls that believe that it was worth one more try. With every star, we are born again. Open your heart and spend less time in your head. With every star, we are born again. Open your heart, spend less time in your head.
You've got forever in your eyes, and I've got so much on my mind. I didn't want to waste, I didn't want to waste the time. You've got a heart made of gold. Someday somebody's gonna hold those hands, those hands aren't mine. And I'm only trying to save you in the end. Just praying that I didn't lose a friend. I hope you're sad. All the letters that I wrote took me away with the stories that we told somewhere in a box in the back of your closet. I've got so much on my mind. Didn't wanna waste your time. And I hope you say all the letters that I wrote tuck me away with the stories that we told somewhere in a box in the back of your closet. Every day with you is magic. Every kiss is better than the last. It's a home I've never known, a place I know will last. For a lifetime of I love yous, two hearts, one beat. You whisper to me, be mine. For a lifetime, it's the little things that make our hearts meet. It's like I can hardly breathe when you say my name. I know we've waited and we've prayed, and here we are for a lifetime. For a lifetime.
Every day, I swear I need you. With each glance, I love you more and more. Our walls came crumbling